know, in 1999 when we founded Synergy Worldwide, it was all about the mission to leave a legacy. And I am so proud of this company because whether it's through the products or the compensation plan or through just rubbing shoulders with people of other ethnicities, race, religious beliefs, we're a family. And that's what Synergy is all about.
We have a number of different departments that work on a daily basis to help you, our team members, be successful. Customer service, we wouldn't be anywhere without them. They're really the face that interacts with all of you on a daily basis. I mean, without customer service, this company doesn't move forward. They do a great job placing orders, processing orders, following up on issues and concerns that you may have, giving information.
We've built this building so that you can walk in the front door to a beautiful entry, to hang a right into a beautiful corporate center where you can pick up products, shop, pick up Synergy apparel. You can then go around the corner into a beautiful presentation room that we have offered to our team members to utilize. It shows all of our recognition and our wall of honor. And it's just amazing the feelings that you get when you bring your people here.
Commissions. God, who wouldn't want commissions to be their best friend? Seriously, these guys pay checks on time. These guys calculate your checks correctly. They do whatever they can to make sure you get your check on time so that you're happy and that you continue to stay motivated in building your Synergy business.
The third floor here at Synergy is where our marketing team is. You'll see that our marketing department, they're engaged. Our whiteboards are full of new ideas. We're always coming up with new strategies, new programs, things that we can do to innovate and be different from other companies in the industry. A big part of marketing here at Synergy is our communications department. This is the team that makes sure that our team members know exactly what's going on with Synergy, what the latest is with our products, what the latest is with the promotions or programs. Everything going on worldwide is communicated through this department.
We support over 20 countries from right here in tiny Pleasant Grove, Utah. And nearly 70% of our staff speaks a foreign language.
For every new marketing program, for every new website, for every promotion, we've had to have IT get involved. And these are programmers and software engineers. A lot of times it's late nights, it's early mornings, but this dedicated group makes that happen.
An important part of our corporate office and our executive area is our presidential boardroom. And whenever we bring in team members worldwide, we meet with them there to collaborate, to talk, and to plan their business.
Now, I know when some of you hear the word compliance, you start getting a little bit nervous, but our compliance department does a great job. Really what they're here to do is just to make sure that people are doing the business fairly, that they're following and adhering to policies and procedures, and really protecting your business for the long term.
Synergy events are a lot of fun, and they're an important part of our business. Synergy has a great event staff that takes care of all the details so that every event you can have a great time.
What's the most important resource we have as a company? The fact of the matter is, it's you. It's our team members. We take great pride in what we do on a daily basis. We really do. We're grateful to be a part of this company. We like what we do. We love being involved in this industry, in this business, because we see lives changed.
Synergy has the greatest products in the world. And our product development team here at Synergy Worldwide is a dedicated group of people who are about researching new products, researching new ingredients, coordinating with our NSP counterparts, and making sure that we have the best heart-healthy products in the industry.
As an executive team, we feel like it's very important to always keep our team members in mind. Whatever decision we make, we think about how it will affect your business. We understand that we're only as good as our team members, and our number one asset is each one of you.
I want to personally invite you to come use this worldwide facility, bring your recruits, and share the dynamic opportunity that Synergy has for you.